With another video today, and I'm gonna go see if there's any scrap over here. Really, I'm just looking for cords, copper yoke, and that's about it. Maybe aluminum, some aluminum sheet, something like that, because I already got some of that. But I don't think it's a pound yet, so I probably should find some more of that, if I can find any. So I'm gonna go over here and see if there's anything I can find. Hopefully there's some insulated copper cores, because I love selling those. I don't know why. Probably because they're easy to take apart. All you gotta do is cut it off of whatever it's on. And sometimes they're just loose, you know. You'll find some that are just they're not attached to anything. They're just, you know, they're already cut off of whatever it was on, and you know, easy stuff. You know, that's why I like selling those insulated copper cords. So, guys, stay tuned. We'll be there in a little bit. Stay tuned. Find anything over here, so I'm gonna go. I know some other places I can go. And then we'll see if we can find anything. Stay tuned, guys. I know sometimes I don't really find anything, but yeah, stay tuned, guys. Nothing here. Alright, so I only found some copper cores. I found some, there was a dishwasher over here again, and I found some copper cords. I got those off. And that was it. I didn't take the electric motor because it was too heavy and they're not worth that much. So, with that being said, I didn't take it. I just wanted to get the cords and get out. So, I'm about to go over to these other apartments, see if there's anything over there. So, yeah, stay tuned, guys. Took all these cords except part here. Good, but yeah, just leave the electric motor right here. So, just found some food in the dumpster here. Rice. Let's open this up. Got a fork here. Pretty good. Got a soft texture. It's not overcooked. So this is the end of this vlog. Sitting here because I think the train's coming, but I couldn't find anything else today. I just found those cords from the dishwasher. But tomorrow I will be out and about, you know, scrapping and stuff like that. Stay tuned for that vlog for tomorrow. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and thanks for watching.